Hey guys, this is Miss Megan, and I just wanted to share some strategies today with you of how to multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit, and we're going to be using the number 34 times 22. The first way we're going to look at it is the way that is called standard algorithm. It's the way that your parents and Miss Megan learned how to multiply when we were in school. You start with the 2 in the ones place, and you say 2 times 4 is 8, and then 2 times 3 is 6. And to show that you are ready to go to the tens place, you will put a 0. I call it a magic 0, just so I remember to hold a place value. Then I say 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6, and I add these up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry your 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 748. Another way that you can do this is very similar, and it's called partial products. I'm going to use the same problem again. But this time, we're going to write out, and it helps me to write it out to show what I'm actually multiplying. So, the first one I have 2 times 4, and I like to draw a little line so that I know to keep it nice and neat. 2 times 4 is 8, and those nice neat lines will come in handy in just a second. Well, then we went from our 2 to our 3. Well, the 3 is in the tens place, so we're going to say 2 times 30. Well, 2 times 30, you know, is 60. And it's very, very important to keep these lined up. When I get ready to add in a few minutes, I will be able to just quickly add because everything's nice and neat and lined up. All right, I have finished with my 2. I'm ready to go through to my 20. 20 times 4 is 80. And 20 times 30 is 600. And I'm going to show you a real cool trick in just a second with our next strategy. And I'm ready to line these up. We have 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry my 1 is 7. If you notice, these two numbers match. Now, the last strategy we're going to look at is called the area model. And this is probably my favorite, but it involves a box. And what you have to do on the area model is decompose your 34 and 22. So I'm going to say 30 plus 4 and 20 plus 2. I'm going to put my 2 here and my 20 here. So, and this is a really good strategy for those of you who may struggle with multiplication. You can look at the first numbers, the first digits, and say 3 times 2 is 6. And because I have 1 0, I'm going to add it there. Then I can go to the next, I call them windows. 2 times 4 is 8. Then I can go to 20 times 30, or 2 times 3, and I have 2 zeros, so that one is 600. And 20 times 4 is 80. And then I can add the numbers together. And if you notice, these numbers in the box, or the windows as I like to call them, like I said, match the numbers in partial product. So we know when we add up 60 and 8 and 80 and 600, we will end up with the number 748. I hope this has been helpful for you guys, and stay safe. We miss you guys.